I loved my house. I didn't really want to change it much. And then over the years, it was just a slow accumulation of things that needed to be fixed. It just got to the point where the job was really big. I knew I needed somebody with the expertise to be able to get this done. My earthquake damage. The Sardone Construction was able to help me figure out and narrow down exactly what it is that I wanted. Very easy to work with. A real respect for what was already there and what the client wanted. That really appealed to me. With all of the aspects of the house that got changed, the floors and the walls and having a fresh coat of paint, it really made me confident and excited about having everything to put in my pretty new house. And when I just drive up to the house, already I get to see the change. And it's just beautiful. I love it.